Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and here back on the channel with some top-down format for you all. And today we're going to have a look at some new products from Sudio. Shaping sound. Now I've had a couple of earbuds and different TWS products from Sudio, but they've assured me this one is going to be pretty sweet. So let's have a look and unbox this bad boy. Lifting the lid, and here we go. What could it be? What could it be? And we have the Sudio T2s, true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation technology. And I gotta say, I always love the presentation. Really nice, very lifestyle oriented. Active noise cancellation, beamforming microphones, up to 35 hours of battery life, 7.5 hours of listening time, dynamic audio driver, sweat and splash proof, and all day comfort. And these look really well built. Let's go ahead and unbox these. Let's start with the black unit. And there they are. Wow. It's almost like an egg has gone missing, but super, super comfortable. And you do have this little strap on these as well. And there you see the actual Sudio T2s themselves. Very subtle, but a really nice build quality on these. And so there you see the black version. But now we're going to open the one that I'm really excited about, the Sudio T2s in green. As you know, green is my favorite color. Lifting the lid. Oh, yes. That is a beautiful color of green. It's almost like this minty, pastel-y green. Great build quality, and you can see USB-C on the back of these. Oh yeah, this is definitely the pair that I would get with this really nice matte texture. It's almost like translucent tip. Really great build quality from Sudio. And now let's look at what's inside the box. Here we go. USB-A to USB-C. A nice little chamois as well. Register to claim extended warranty up to 3 months. A purchase that is very nice. And there you see the ear tips, a bunch to choose from. And you have the owner's guide and the warnings and precautions booklets as well. And they're ready for pairing, so I'm going to take out my Mi 11 Ultra. And there they are, the Sudio T2s, ready for use. And playing a little bit of VHS dreaming and initial impressions of the audio. They sound pretty good, man. Really good bass. We're going to get to the drop here. Significant bass on these. And all in all, guys, initial impressions, unboxing, and initial use of these Sudio T2s is great. But of course, I need to give them the full treatment, so stay tuned, of course, for my part 2 of this video and my review after a week of use of these Sudio T2s. Stay tuned. Alright folks, so I'm back after over a week of using these Sudio T2s, and I gotta tell you, these things have been terrific. From a design perspective, I've loved the green case, and I gotta tell you, these fit very snug, very comfortable in my ear. The other thing I've really enjoyed is the sound quality, with really punchy bass, solid mids, with a solid size dynamic driver, and the active noise cancellation, while not on par with something like an AirPods Pro, is still delivering pretty quality noise cancellation, and the transparency mode is actually really good. And as you can see, it fits very comfortably. I guess it's a little bit more substantial than the AirPods Pro, and yes, you will notice that added thickness here on the case, but overall they still fit very comfortably, and this little cable does make it easier to take this out of your pocket if you're looking for it. And unlike my AirPods Pro that are completely scratched up, I've really enjoyed this matte texture on the Sudio T2s. I think these are going to actually last quite a bit longer, and they will look a lot nicer over the years than my AirPods Pro that are completely scratched to bits. Now, of course, though, there's one thing that I really do wish we could have seen with these Sudio T2s that you get with the AirPods Pro, and that, of course, is wireless charging. No wireless charging to speak of on these. You're going to need to use the USB-C charger on the back, but you know, given the whole package of these Sudio T2s, I think it's a small thing, and the fact that these truly aren't really playing in the price range of the AirPods Pro. They're really competing more with standard AirPods, and of course with multiple colors, multiple stylings available. I think these Sudio T2s are offering a pretty quality active noise cancellation experience for the price. So check links in the description, and thanks once again to Sudio for sending these out. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on these Sudio T2s? And what do you think of Sudio's products in general? I really do like the look and styling of their products. They truly are excellent. But hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Stay tuned, guys. More great content, as always, coming. And we'll have some more great devices still to round out the year. But that's it for this one. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Great earbuds, guys. Go check them out.